Your power tool's motor uses two carbon brushes to conduct electricity to the armature. They do this through the commutator. The carbon brush will wear down over time from rubbing against the rotating commutator and will need to be replaced. Worn brushes can cause excessive sparks around the commutator. Sparks can also be caused by a damaged armature, so you'll want to carefully inspect both if sparks are present. Replacing the carbon brushes is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the cover on the underside of the handle. Now I have access to the motor brushes. I'll go ahead and remove the first brush. I'll loosen the screw and remove the screw from the two wires and the brush holder. Now remove the brush holder from the housing. And remove the brush. Now I can install the new brush. You'll notice the wire lead is offset to one side of the brush. I'll align the wire with the slot in the brush holder and insert the brush into the holder. Now I can place the holder back into the housing. With the holder in place, I'll route the brush wire back around the base of the holder and then secure the wires and the brush holder with the screw. Now make sure that the brush wire is tucked back and out of the way. And now I repeat this on the other side. And I'll finish up by replacing the cover. And that's all it takes to replace the carbon brushes in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.